And this is not supposed to be stressful. This is supposed to be fun. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to day 11 of the 12 days of Christmas. I almost said Vlogmas. Oh no. So today we're making a gingerbread house, or several gingerbread houses, as I will show you on the package. It has like 4 of them on there. So we're making gingerbread houses today, and I'm not gonna lie, I was low-key stressed out about it because I've never made a gingerbread house before, or gingerbread houses before, and this is not supposed to be stressful. This is supposed to be fun. But I just reread the instructions before hopping on the camera, and it looks pretty easy. I just will say, like, if they come out ugly, like, this video is just not going to air. I'm about to like just go get cookies, and like that's gonna be like day 11. Like baking cookies will be day 11 if like these gingerbread houses are ugly. But yeah, anyways, enough talking, and let's jump right into making those gingerbread houses before it gets dark, because I have another video to film later on today. All right, so this is what it looks like. I think the brand is Wonder Shop at Target. Obviously I got it a couple weeks ago. Pretty decent. So 4 gingerbread houses. This was $9.99, by the way, in case you're looking to purchase these yourself. And these are the instructions that were stressing me out. Doesn't it look complicated? I'm just looking like, oh my god, this is about to be like a whole math project. But it's really, really simple. And everything is labeled, like it's different ones. And that's the base. There's 4 different bases for the 4 different houses. And these are the decorations I'll put on last minute, or after I've put on my icing. And yeah, let's jump right into it. So I've laid down paper towel because I'm not sure how messy this is gonna get, and the paper towels are curled up. It's annoying. I need to put something on the end of it so it stays in place, so I don't have a big mess to clean up later. But we'll see. It might not even be as messy as I'm thinking. Let's get right into this. Oh, it's heavy, heavy, heavy. Normally I would have preferred to like put everything on here, like open this up and put everything on here, but I need to follow the directions, so I need to keep this over here so I can grab it when needed to follow directions. Okay, so that's the gingerbread right there. Oh, this is edible. I'm not even really a fan of gingerbread like that. I think it's the molasses for me. I mean, I'd eat it. I've eaten it before, but it's like not my favorite thing. Oh, it smells so good. And this is supposed to be, oh, I've always wanted to use one of these. This is so much fun. I'm getting excited already. And then these are the little like decorations and little balls and the candy. I'm not quite sure what this is going to be for. Let me look at the picture. I guess the lining of the doors, like I guess it's for the door, and I have to cut it. So I'm gonna have to get my scissors in a little bit here. But yeah, that's everything basically on here. And these are the labels. These are labels. Let me put it this way. So candy shop, bakery, chalet. Yes, I believe that's a French word, chalet. Okay, let's get right into it then, shall we? Okay, I think these are all the bases. I'm just gonna lay these out here. Move my camera a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. I believe this is Santa's house, and I might do this one last. It looks a little bit complicated. Yeah, this is a candy shop. And then this is the chalet. I love that word, chalet. And then this is the sweet shop, finally. This is the sweet shop. They're all like cookies, but we call them biscuits where I come from in Cameroon, because that's the English way of saying it. Biscuits, but over here we call it cookies. So oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. All right, let me toss this in the trash real quick so I don't have cockroaches visiting. And then I'm gonna wash my hands again. This is a plate, and then I have paper towel over it because I'm probably gonna put a few on this plate. A few. I mean one or two on this plate. Okay. Now I can start decorating. All right. Yeah, I'm starting with the chalet. So it says to break it off along the edges. Oh God, I hope I don't mess this up. Okay. Okay. And then put one of the bases on here because I'm going to just decorate on here. And then I have to put icing around the base here. And then I have to put icing around these edges that are going to stand on here like this. Something like that. That's what it says to do. Okay. Yo, they make it so easy for you. I don't have to like be mixing things to make any icing. Like for some other gingerbread house packages that I saw, you actually have to make the icing yourself, which, you know, I wouldn't mind, but like that's not what I'm going for right now. I want something quick and easy because I got other things to do. So it says to massage this a little bit just so it's more fluid and adhesive. First one done. Not too shabby. I'm saying it's not supposed to be perfect, but I still need to do the decoration. So this is just what it looks like, and I'm proud of myself. Oh my God, I broke it. So I broke Santa's house. The Santa house piece, I completely broke it trying to keep it glued together. So what an epic fail. But that's okay. I still have the chalet, the sweet shop, and the other piece right there. I don't know what that one's called. The chapel. Let me see. It's the, excuse me. Yeah, candy shop, sweet shop, and the chalet. So I have those three left, which I'm going to decorate. But this, well, that gives me an excuse to try some of these gingerbread biscuits or whatever you want to call them. So this is what I guess the finished product looks like. I tried to replicate what it has on here. There was no way in hell it was gonna look like that. Like, no way. So this is just good enough for me. It's not supposed to be perfect. Like, I'm not about to sell anything, so it doesn't have to look aesthetically pleasing, right? This is good enough for me. I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed watching me mess up. It's my first time after all. Even if it wasn't my first time, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's not that deep. It's supposed to be fun. So that's what I came up with. Kept me on my toes for the last hour or two. And that's it. Sadly, I'm gonna have to toss them out because that's too much sugar. And I ate some of the ones that I broke earlier and it kind of tastes like a cinnamon roll. I might keep that one because I haven't put a lot of like icing on it. Like, I'll take it apart and put it in a Ziploc and take a bite out of it whenever I need some sugar. I really don't want the cockroaches to come and play. And they will come and play. Anyways, enough rambling. I will see you guys tomorrow for day 12 and the final day of my 12 days of Christmas. I will be making a cheese board and that one's gonna be so much fun. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.